Welcome to HM Drive, guys. Thank you so much for your lovely response, which I got on my other videos, and thank you so much for that. And so today I brought up new video for a BMW X5, which is a beautiful vehicle, which you can see. You can see the display key, which is in my hand right now. The point is this particular car is something which sets my pulse race, which actually inspire me and which gives me motivation. We should earn money, and we should grab these kind of cars. So you can see this is a display key which is in my hand, and here it has certain features. With this car you can have information on this key as well. However, the car has several features, but the features on gadgets like display key, it's such a wonderful thing. And here you can see the security check entry level. You can height control as well. Vehicle information can be seen in this, and the range of the car which can be seen in this. Preconditioning setting, like you in advance, if you want to have preconditioning, air conditioning, you just want to switch it on, and you want it to get started, so you can do it with your keys. So it's such a lovely thing to operate. And we are sitting in this X5. This one is M40i. This is Skyrocket, which has 340 bhp power and 450 torque. And especially in diesel cars it gives 620 nm torque, where the power would be 265 bhp. Again, the difference in 0 to 100 will not be much. I'll just, not without any delay, I'll just switch on, start it. uh, I'll just start it. Wow. So I've just started it. It is on a blue display, you can see right now. And so this car has adjustment steering, which is electronically adjustable. I am just doing it with the button help. Why, since beginning this car has seat adjustment, which is 22 ways. It in general cars we have seen 10 ways, 12 ways, but 22 ways is something which is beyond. And it has certain things. Upper toes, you can change the mode. Basically you can change the position of your sitting. So I'll just show you later on about the sitting part, because I already seated on the car. And yes, now look at this lever, which is beautifully made with the Swarovski. Not only gear select with Swarovski, but yes, start stop button with Swarovski. Your iDrive selector, it is also with Swarovski. Yeah, it has features almost similar as other BMW, but it has some added advantage in this particular car. With the you can see that there are different modes: sport, comfort, eco, pro, and adaptive. However, I explained you about eco pro mode is something just to have economy drive. So right now it is pressed. Eco pro is something which is already pressed right now. And sport is something just to have a better efficient drive in terms of performance of the vehicle, just to have a thrust, and you want to feel of the car, so you can drive it on a sports mode. And adaptive mode is something which actually do predictive adjustments of the vehicle setting for the drive situation. So as per the drive situation, it will adapt itself. Electronic handbrakes. It is a hill descent. While going uphill, downhill, this car will be more stable. Wow, this is air suspension. Like, I'm just doing it right now. Air suspension is something which can increase the height of the car. I'm just feeling it is going up. So just to lift it up, you can press this button and you can lift it up. Wireless charge is also available with this. On screen you have certain features which is available. And there's something which I really can't express in words: the feeling of drive this car, which cannot be explained in words, which actually can be experienced when you will drive this car. This is Harman Kardon with 16 speakers, which has 614 bhp power, which actually generates a marvelous experience. And the seats are sports seats with the side bolsters, extended thigh support, which is electrically adjustable. It's fully electrically adjustable, 22 ways. And the sunroof is also panoramic, which is again a large view which is available in this. Yeah, you can see this sunroof is large view. I've just closed it. Sitting is something which also play the vital role. The seating is very comfortable while going on a long drive, long journey. You will be having a comfortable ride, and you are sitting on a good height commanding position just because of 20 inches alloy wheel. Guys, 20 inches alloy wheel actually makes so much difference in the car. So we will also have a little bit of a drive feeling of the same car. I'll just give you a little bit of idea about I'm driving this car on adaptive mode right now. It will just take adaptive mode. It will adapt itself according to the drive situation and all. And trust me guys, this is something a marvelous feel with this one. This is a brand new X5 which is being offered from the BMW side. This comes with the three variants, which it generates 330D engine, and one variant is X-Line, another one is M40i. However, these are the variant which is available. However, these variants are will be on a little bit of waiting from the company side. It is not readily available in these days. It is on a you need to wait for a little bit. I'm not wearing seatbelt, so it's buzzing. Okay, so guys, this was experience which I wanted to give you for this car, because I really love this one a lot, because this is a Skyrocket, the same engine configuration which comes in BMW X7, but the same engine performance is coming in X5. So you can understand what would be the efficiency of this vehicle. So I'll just stop the car and I will give you the little bit view about the exterior of this, but I think it will be in the next video. I think this will be good in case if I can give you the feeling of this in this inside only. Exterior information I'll give you in a showroom in a detailed review. I'll just take it to the little more drive. I just need to wear seat pad first, because of seat belt just making little bit much noise. You can see M badging. M badging is something which actually gives that feel of sportiness. So side bolster, when it just gets adjusted, feel like tighten from back, and it up under the under pad and upper toes can be adjustable, so it will also make lovely comfort, and you will also feel glad and feel wow. So trust me, the touchscreen is something which is marvelous. So you can see this is very responsive as other BMW gives. This car also has gesture control, like you need to increase the volume. You can see right now increase the volume and decrease the volume can be done with this one. It has 6 gestures option which is available in M40i. This also has you can see little bit of information, that is head-up display which is coming in this. The head-up display is also available, that also play a vital role while driving over high speed on the road. Basically this car has 200 top speed. 200 is something which is again with this kind of a big monster. 200 is a big time speed, I must say. So it was all about the experience of this car, about the drive experience, but I'll go with a detailed review of this in the showroom. Basically I'll come up with a new video. In next video I'll give you the detailed information about this car, from the exterior, interior, everything. But so far you can experience the same thing. This is a storage is something which can be here. With this button it can open. Wireless charger is here. So I think it has been explained enough. Headlamps, wow, it has laser technology. I forgot to tell you about it. Laser technology which gives you a range of approximate 650 meters. Guys, it's more than half kilometer. Amazing, huh? So thank you so much to stay connected with HM Drive channel. Keep loving.